Ano to, Mare? Anong laro yan?
I'm not sliding!
Oh, here, you...
Oh no! Oh no, the lens is broken!
It's broken, guys.
The wind blew the camera over.
This
and
is just 10 day old.
Oh my god.
I just bought this before the cruise.
No!
Hi be! It's me, Francis Candy, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video be, samahan nyo ako at i-tour natin itong ating cruise ship, ang Carnival Venezia. And for this video, I'm not gonna be vlogging alone because I'm gonna be here with my friend. Tawagin na natin siya, the one and the only. Yeah, here's Damian. Say hi to the netizens.
Hi, I'm Damien from Damien 15 Productions Media.
Where are you from, Damien?
I'm from Pennsylvania.
So we just met him around here. I don't. How did we meet here?
Met a couple of days ago at the Italian lunch, the pasta lunch.
The Pasta Bella, okay. So now guys, we're gonna tour you around and show you some of the places here inside the cruise. Are you excited to do that?
Yep. Okay. So this is deck 2, so we'll have to go up to deck 3 to kick us off.
Let's go.
So here, let's get some of this footage as well.
Okay, let's go. So, andito tayo ngayon ba sa deck 2? Yeah, so andito tayo ngayon ba sa deck 2? And yung deck 1 and 2, but if you don't know the terminologies, yung deck parang floor yan, 4, 1, 4, 2, ganun. There's nothing much here, mga kwarto lang, it's just cabins. So, syempre tatuloy tayo sa exciting na part, punta tayo sa deck 3. Who doesn't like a deck 3? Let's go. Hi, Baya! Hey, namaste. Kyale. Uksahe. Tike. Acha. See, I can speak. I'm multilingual.
Yeah,
That's Hindi.
That's good stuff.
Okay, so ngayon guys, akita tayo sa third floor. Ito yung deck 3. Kung saan nandito you can find here the Marco Polo restaurant. And actually,
as well.
the main atrium. And also, what is this one?
So
The
I'm gonna-
play.
Yeah, there's a kids club right over
Yeah,
here.
a
It's
kids club.
Circle C and Club O2. So basically, Circle C is the kids club for I think 12 to 14-year-olds.
Okay, 17.
And then there's Club O2 is
Okay,
the
okay.
club from 15 to 17-year-olds.
Yes, yeah, basta yung pang kids. Yeah, they get it. You wanna see it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go first see that. Hey! So ito guys, papasok tayo dito sa loob. Ito naman dito yung parang Circle C and Club 02. So dito yung laro yung mga bata. Dito yung mga pang 12 to 14. And dito sa kabila naman is yung 15 to 17. Wala naman ako dito pero ako pinaglalaroan nila lagi. Be. Char.
So there's the Circle C room. Just cruising along. I remember. Say hi to YouTube, Club O2 people.
Ano pangalan mo ate?
Oh boy.
Relani
Hi naman kay Ate Relani. Saan ka Ate Relani sa Philippines?
from Zamboanga.
Ay,
Yes.
bienvenido. Sarap. Nagbunta ko ng Sambuanga na nakaraan.
Oh, really?
Yes, ang sarap ng sati. Sarap.
Sati,
Yeah, I
yes.
love it. Sige ate, bye-bye. Adios, bye-bye. So dito naman sa likod ko, dito naman makikita yung main atrium netong aming ship. So andyan yung San Marco Piazza, where you can have the fun shots. And nandito rin yung Marco Polo, yung guest office, something like that. Yeah. So, let's go. So, dito tayo ngayon sa loob naman ng Marco Polo restaurant. Actually, hindi naman, during daytime, it's not really functional, wholly. So, meron lang silang part na naka-open. Specifically, yung Pasta Bella, kung saan nag-video ko nung nakaraan, be, tungkol doon sa salad. Dito yon. And everyday, be, kasi pag fine dining, minsan, gawa-gawa yung pagkain. Pero dito, meron silang usual menu na pwede mong i-order every time you're going to eat here. Also, the nice thing about this place, be, especially when you're eating here during daytime, when people usually eat their lunch, makikita mo yung view sa labas. Like, I know it's not that much because it's just water, but it's just really nice to see the horizon. Sobrang ganda. Hi! So ito naman guys, yung loob na kanilang theater dito. So there's a show happening right now for the VIFP, or sasabi nila na very important fun person. Pwede rin very important Francis.
No, this little gathering here. There were two gatherings
Today?
that happened today, just for platinums and diamonds.
Oh, right.
So you got to see something that you probably weren't supposed to see yet, but that's okay.
Yeah, we got a glimpse of the event.
Do it for the vlog.
Yes. Mudugo na ilong ko kay English dito, be. So, also on this floor, you can also find here the fun shops. Tatawag nilang fun shops, pero in short, tindahan. Mabubudol ka sa kakabili ng kung anik-anik dito, like the souvenir items, food, some jewelries, a lot of stuff. Good stuff. Good items.
Jewelry, candy, liquors, and tobacco.
Yeah,
There's watches behind us.
that's true. And also on this floor, you can also find here the casino. So the casino is there. Then also after the casino, there's a lounge, a bar and a lounge, and cabins again, I think.
I don't know if there are cabins on this floor. Maybe.
I think not. Yeah, none.
Yeah, no,
because
'cause,
there's Carnival Lounge again.
Yeah, there's the Limelight Lounge
Yeah,
as well, and the further back of the ship that they use for the Punchliner Comedy Club.
That's true.
And I think they'll also use it for like karaoke. I noticed they've been using it for karaoke as well.
Have you done karaoke here?
Not on this ship.
You
I've done it.
missed
I've done
it.
it. I've done it. I've done it on past ships.
You missed our performances.
I did. You performed?
Twice.
I didn't even see it. I didn't know you were gonna perform. But you could have been there for that, man.
Okay, let's go around now.
Yeah. As we enter the casino, but this casino is mostly slots. Francis. Buffalo slots, I know.
And we survive walking through the casino. You know, sa casino, sobrang mausok dyan, amoy yosi. And marami akong kilala dyan na naglalaro. Actually, ginagawa ng mga kaibigan ko dyan, pupunta sila dyan para humigil na talaga ng drinks. Pero makikita ng drinks pag high roller ka, meaning mataas na yung points mo, kakalaro. And also, this is another bar here, like more of a heroes bar for veterans. So, masyadong straight din, hindi para sa akin.
Pose in front of the artwork.
So on this hall naman, ito naman yung pinaka-art gallery nila where sometimes they sell the arts actually through bidding. Meron sila ditong mga auction na ginagawa in some nights. Wow. Torturing passengers.
Some of the Punchliner deco up.
And also the lamplight party each night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bad habits. Nightly bad habits, yeah. Yeah, so during the day, and sometimes they use it as well for like workshops and seminar.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh, I forgot about that.
This is the
3
carnival-
Deck 3 also has the lower part of the restaurant.
Ah,
The
yeah.
The Casa Grande, which... Oh, they just opened the door.
So ito naman ba yung loob dito ng Grand Canal. Dito kami nagdi-dinner madalas. Very beautiful. Look at this place, be. O, di ba? Diyan kami madalas kumain. Dito sa tabi ng, what do you call that? Gondola. Shout out sa laging nag-assist sa amin dito na waiter na si Kuya Richard, si Kuya John, si Kuya Roel, si Miss Dayan, and si Miss Vanessa doon naman sa front desk nila dito. Thank you so much po. Wow! Diba? Sobrang ganda ba ng view. Imagine kumakain ka dito, you're having your lunch or your dinner. Kaso dinner, wala ka naman pala makikita, no? Pero just seeing this view is really nice. And also, ang bongga lang be, dahil every night na kumakain kami dito, it's fine dining. Imagine, so every night, steak, puro social. I'm out of words of how to describe it. Like, it's just amazing, right? Do you eat here usually?
We do.
Diba?
And a lot of the time, sometimes we'll have these tables by the back. Actually, we have sat at this table
Oh,
before.
really?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
we have sat at this very table before.
I've never been on this side. I usually sit near the gondola or like front, but
Gotcha.
the lower floor on the front. Yeah.
Yeah. But no, you can get some really great views from the back of the ship here. I mean, when you're here like late at night though, like past like say
There's
7
nothing there.
o'clock, it's like it's totally dark.
Darkness.
It is
yeah.
totally dark.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This is the time to put that edit in where you turn the whole thing black and white and you do the song.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Yes, this is Damon, the producer. So, ayan. It's actually nice here. Like, what's your favorite food here?
Oh, I've had quite a few. I really liked when they had the spaghetti carbonara.
Ah, that's when we met. You loved
Yeah.
it. Actually, when you're here, like you can really feel the ambience of
Yeah,
of
this is
Italian,
more
yeah.
Venetian.
Yeah.
It's because the fun fact,
Uh-huh.
Venezia, the Carnival Costa Venezia,
Uh-huh.
was originally named after
Venice.
the Italian city of Venice.
Yeah, I've been there.
You've been to Venice?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I've been to a few provinces of Italy already. So I'm familiar with it. Like there's not much of like this one is like fresco inspired, but
Yeah. But it's like the
Paintings.
gondola is kind of like it's a direct reference to like how people like go on the
Yes.
like the streets are all
Yes,
like very
that's
much
why I went
rivers.
there. I went there I think last year because of course Venice is slowly sinking city.
Yeah.
So soon you'll never be able to see it. So you have to go now.
Yeah, I have to.
You have 5 minutes to go. okay. Let's go run. By the way, guys, this Marco Polo restaurant is 2 floors. So, meron silang Canal Grande pala. I'm sorry. So, take 2. So, by the way, this Canal Grande restaurant has 2 floors. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa upper floor nila. And, I don't know, like, is there a difference for like, dress code here and downstairs? Like, here are more... No, I don't know.
No, I don't. I
Because I just
Never would've heard of
I
one.
just noticed like people who are eating here are wearing more formal than people downstairs.
well, that's because last night was elegant night.
But
it's
the other
like-
nights, are they? No, I don't know.
No, because I don't.
Maybe.
I don't think there would. There never usually is a different like dress code per
floor.
I've never heard of that before.
Now I am.
I've been cruising with Carnival since 2015. and I've
Wow.
never heard that.
And I am initiating that idea. There will be a dress code by floor. So, meron pala sa dito, be, smoke free casino din pala. Hindi ko lang, first time ko lang siya makita. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi, you know, we have to respect people there. So, now we are here on the deck 5 naman. So, we are gonna show you like the places that you can see here and the activities you can do.
Now, the interesting thing about Deck 5 is that the cabins on here are exclusive. They're called the Terraza staterooms. And when you book one of the Terraza staterooms, it gives you access to an area on the back of the ship.
This one in the back.
Yeah, like the couple of hot tubs and whatnot. I think there's also a private bar as
Yes,
well.
there is.
So, yeah.
That you can only access like after 7 p.m. if you're not staying here.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what they told me inside.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's what they told me inside.
Oh, gotcha.
During night, it's okay to go out.
Gotcha.
All right, let's see. So now, guys, nandito naman tayo sa Carnival Bar and Lounge. Now, let's check what's going on inside. Let's go. I think there's a party happening right now.
That's my favorite part, you know?
That is really an early karaoke.
Yeah, it really
Yeah.
is.
After yung karaoke, okay. So after naman dun ba sa may Carnival Bar Lounge, kung saan nagkakaraoke ang mga tao, dito naman tayo sa may gondola, kung saan ang ginagawa naman nila is nag-games.
Was the Terraza.
Yes, be. Sobrang dami activity nangyayari dito sa loob ng barko. Like every floor, merong mga nangyaring ganap.
Coming from that door is
So, let's go.
ridiculous right now. It's blowing.
It's gonna be very windy here, guys. Sobrang hangin. So, andito tayo sa may lanay naman, sa side na to ng Deck 5. Actually, sinama ko talaga to be para tumaas yung confidence ko dahil sobrang daming tao nagtitingin na sa akin pag nag-vlog ako. Pero anyway, dahil at least hindi ako mukhang nag-iisang, mukhang ewan dito na nagsasata sa harap ng camera. Yeah, let's just embrace it. Ano ka ba? If without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So, I love you. Genuinely, truly. And that goes to the guys who are looking at me right now. Wow. So here's Damien pushing the something.
The something.
Yeah, I don't know what you call it.
It's just
a door.
It's a revolving.
Yeah, that's it. So after here, meron dito sila pixels. Ito yung papalitan ng mga picture kasi dito be, maraming nagpipicturan, di ba? Sila be, hindi naman sila sing talented natin. Tayo be, bagal tayo mag-edit ng mga picture natin. Sila kailangan pa nila ng photographer. So ito yung mga picture be, kunyari for us. 8:31. Do you have a picture here?
You're looking at your photos.
Yeah, I'll show them my picture. I can change the birthday.
Oh, here, it's down there.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Charan, my picture.
Look at that. Nice. It has
With the watermark.
The watermarks all over it just because we haven't purchased the
Yeah.
photo yet.
Yeah, the price for the pictures is, I'll show you guys. It's for the digital image, it's $17.99. If you print it, $17.99. For
There's the 16 by 20.
5 by
canvas.
7 and 6. Ah,
The
how
16,
big
the
is,
16 by 20.
how big is the 16 by?
It's big.
Okay,
It's very big.
Okay, so dito naman be on moving on, andito naman be yung tatawag nilang frisante and yung il viaggio. Siyempre, hindi ko alam pa ang tamang pronunciation dahil Italian guys eh.
Right by the Lestrada Grill. And Francis, of course. On this floor as well.
So that's how you call it. That's how you pronounce it. Il Viaggio. Yeah, I think so. Quick review. Sabi ng mga taong Marites be, hindi raw masarap. So let's just move on. And ito naman guys yung mga shops dito. You can find mga bags. Oh, ayan oh. Authentic daw. Habibi, salam alaikum. I'm good. Yeah, I didn't wear special yet. Just, hello handsome. And look at the back. Goodbye, hotness. Alright, I love you. Kinakaibigan ko guys talaga yung mga crew dito para nakakadaldalan ko sila pag wala akong matambayan. Wala akong matambayan, wala akong mga chika, chikahin ko na lang sila. Ito naman guys dito, isa pa. This is called Amari. Ito naman pinupuntahan ng mga, kadalasan, ito yung space para sa mga LGBTQ to meet and greet and mingle here in the cruise. Actually, napagod na ako sa tour na to, be, ha? Andito yung kanilang piano bar sa gabi. Pilipino yung kumakanta dyan. Kagabi, nakipag-jamming naman siya sa amin. Pero, saglit lang. Shout out kay Kuya. Mabait naman siya. Pinagbigyan niya yung request namin. Akala ko hindi niya ako pagbibigyan eh. And then dito naman, be, yung teppanyaki. So, dalawa sila. Merong sushi, merong teppanyaki. Teppanyaki yung merong magluluto ng mga ihaw-ihaw sa harap mo. Ganyan. Sort of. Parang grill, parang ganyan. Actually, dati be, super curious ako sa ano bang meron sa loob ng cruise ship. Ano ba siya? Parang may ang alam ko lang, merong restaurant, merong casino, ganun lang, may swimming pool. Tapos ano pa, hindi ko alam na parang pala siyang parang mall. So ito meron dito, kunyari, may salon, merong parang Watson. Tindahan ng mga makeup, tindahan ng pabango. Pero mga, ano yung sa mataas pa? Mas mga high-end kasi. Ito, so may mga tindahan pa dyan ng pabango, anything. Sa kabila naman, mga super high-end brands, Bulgari, Cartier, hindi ko alam basa sa iba eh. Tag Heuer. Hindi ko alam basa, pero branded, sa Effie. Pero right now, I'm just so happy kasi alam mo yun, dito ko ngayon nakatira for I'll be living here for 2 weeks, di ba? Imagine, so sobrang saya nun. Just amazing. It's actually big, but it's not that big. Kasi may mas malalaki pa dito. Pero, syempre, for us, na hindi naman talaga nakakasakay sa mga gito, amazing. Bongga. Minsan nga, guys, alam mo yun, nandun parang ako sa nahihiya ako na parang, oh my God, hindi ako sanay sa ganito, oh my God. Paano ako pag-mingle sa mga tao? Pero, ang paalala, the reminder is, just be yourself. Have fun and enjoy it. At the end of the day, you're just gonna be here for a few days, hindi naman forever, and you're not gonna live with these people. So just have fun. In few days, makakalimutan ka rin nila. Jowa mo, kinalimutan ka eh. Sila pa ba? Wala naman kayo pinagsamahan. So since we are now done touring around the second deck, third deck, and fourth deck and fifth deck, right? This is fifth?
Yeah, this is fifth. So deck 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all
just
cabins.
Decks. So kwarto lang guys yung 6, 7, 8, 9. So tapos na tayo dito. So just to recap, 1, there's nothing there. Engine maybe 0. Just to going out. Second, third actually nagsisimula ang lahat. Third is the main atrium, the Marco Polo. Fourth, casino. Fifth, bars and restaurants and lounges. Now, let's move on sa deck 10 in Lido, okay? Let's go there. You wanna go there?
To the Lido deck we go.
Yeah, let's go. And guys, yung pindutan ng elevator nila nasa labas. Para pag nasa loob kayo, wala kayong nababangga para magpindot ng dire-diretso. So usually kasi pag nasa loob, napipindot ng mga tao, kaya every floor humihinto. Pero ganoon pa rin naman guys. Halos every floor pa rin naman humihinto dahil may mga, siyempre may mga tanga-tanga, may mga bata na nagpipindot, ganyan. Okay, we're now here in deck 10 guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here in the deck 10, and here in deck 10 you will find the Lido. Dito yung buffet naman namin, guys. Every morning, lunch and dinner, and even midnight snack. Okay, hi.
That's the new camera.
Yeah, it's a new camera.
That's the new gimbal.
Yeah, this one, right. So naamoy sila sa camera natin, guys. Well, anyway, medyo maingay na dito. Very crowded, very nice. Kasi sobrang dami nangyayari dito. Merong swimming pool, may bar, may cafe, and sometimes pag-gabi meron din sila dito film showing. Woo! Cheers!
Alright.
Yeah, in the piano bar.
Yes.
Yes, nice meeting you. Yeah.
Meeting you.
What's your name?
Nice meeting you.
Francis.
He's usually in the piano bar with
Wow.
me. Yeah.
Maybe we'll see you again tonight. Is there tonight?
Everything good tonight.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. So, naalala nila ako kagabi dahil kagabi, nagra-rap ako sa piano bar. Nag-ala-androy ako, be. Hello po. Ay, apa ka ba? Ay, ate pala. Ay, ito she's Indonesian and she's from Philippines. So, ayan, sobrang daming Pilipino crew dito. Kaya shoutout sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na nagtatrabaho dito. Mga na-meet namin at di namin na-meet. Hi po. Hey. Pogi nun, be. So, since we are here in Lido Market, there's a lot of food that you can have here. Like, there's Java Blue for the cafe. There's Rococo. There's this one, Pomodoro. What is the name of this burger?
That's Guy Fieri's burger joint.
Do you love the burger there?
It's amazing.
Yeah,
It's
let's
amazing.
go.
And you'll find Guy's burger joint on most carnival ships, or if not all of them.
Okay, now let's just check it. Let's go.
Yeah.
So, dito tayo guys sa may kainan na area naman. Dito naman sa Lido pa din. So, dito kami kumakain. Tuwing kakain kami ng aming mga lunch, dinner. So, maraming tao. Ito, meron sila ditong ice cream. Meron silang ice cream. Meron din ditong yogurt, frozen yogurt.
You want some ice cream?
No, not right now.
You sure?
Later. Usually, meron sila ditong 4 na counters for the buffet. And open yan pag morning, lunch. Pero during other times, isa lang or dalawa lang yung bukas. So, ito guys, dito kami kumakain madalas para at least maganda yung view. Like habang kumakain ka, panonoorin mo yung alon ng dagat. Kala mo na may kakaiba sa alon ng dagat. Pare-pareho lang naman. Ito guys, meron palang bukas sa park dito ngayon. Yung deli, it's more of like burgers and fries na nakakaumay naman ba kung laging kinakain. Actually, yes.
Don't forget sandwiches.
Yeah. Some people here are not eating in Grand Canal or in the restaurant. Gusto nila dito lang talaga. Pero nung unang araw ko dito, may nagsabi sa akin na, "Where are you eating tonight?" Tapos sabi ko, "I don't know yet." Sabi niya, "Go ask the customer service something." Tapos doon ko na-realize na pwede palang kumain sa mga restaurant dito, especially doon sa Grand Canal, ng libre. Yes, be. So, steak, puro high-end na pagkain. Nakakatawa yung high-end, di ba? Oo. Pero, it's just nice. Pressure na ako dito. Tara, let's go. It's good. Let's go.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah, I did. It's good. Careful, the floor is
Yeah, the floor is slippery over here.
So, ayun, ito ba, meron sila itong mga drink station naman sila, beverages station. So, may mga juice, lemonade, tea, coffee, and the wind is very strong.
It's blowing my hair all
Yes, so
around.
now we're going to Burano Sunshine Deck, kung saan makikita nyo yung papizza nila dito at saka yung seafood. Ako, maingay din yung lugar na to. Pakiramdam ko pang tsuhin na talaga ako, ayoko na maingay. I think itong pizzahan na to, matagal tong bukas eh. The pizzeria. Shoutout kay Kuya David dito. Announcement!
This announcement is for Lucas Williams.
Wow. Are we gonna keep that?
That's perfect timing.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Guest services really has the darndest timing.
Okay, take 2.
No quiero ver, no, yo te tenía bonito. Desde mismo se me olvidó. Eso es lo que te tiene ofendido. Y hasta la vida de mejor. Lo que tu novia me tiró. Se me da ni de donde río. Me río. No tengo tiempo para lo que no importa. Cambiar mi vida, haciendo dinero como deporte.
Hi, ate! So, dito naman sa likod ng tent deck, may kita mo yung seafood shack, yung pizza, and then there's a bar in front of the pool. So, medyo maingay dito, pero it's really fun. Yung lemon juice ko, may lasang bulong kadalamdan na to, kayo na pa sinisip-sip. Oh, so dito naman best sa loob yung mga indoor activities for the teenagers. Meron sila dito mga Chinese checkers, ping pong, and even like indoor golf. Hi guys! So now let's go up. So now we're on the 12th floor where you can find the Cloud9 Spa. So this spa, they have a gym, they have a wellness center. So if you want to improve your posture, to improve your body, ganyan, relax, ganyan. Dito sa Deck 12, sa indoor, andyan yung gym and spa. Dito naman sa outdoor is yung slides. So, natry ko dito na mag-slide na din. Bye-bye!
Mare, goodbye! Mare, mas maganda yung umalis ka sa ano. Tumalong ka, Mare, mas maganda. Hindi madulas. Ano to, Mare? Anong laro yan?
I'm not sliding! Ayan, actually hindi na pala slide, pati yung mga interactive na trail doon, yung sumong umakit-akit, ganyan. Meron doon. Oh, here, you... Oh no! Oh no, the lens is broken! It's broken, guys.
The wind blew the camera over.
This is just 10-day-old.
Oh my god.
I just bought this before the cruise.
No!
Okay, anyway. I'll do my extra inside.
Yeah, let's do
I'm
that.
traumatized once more.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god. Nabasa, guys. I broke the lens of my camera. So,
Oh my god.
iniwan ko yung camera, hinangin siya na tumba, and then, it's broken.
Stupid wind.
Yeah, stupid Francis for letting the wind. I didn't thought about it. Yeah.
Oh,
But
man.
anyway, that's about it. That's about the tour here in Carnival Venezia. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hope you enjoyed, and I learned a lot of stuff touring around and learning a lot of places here that sometimes for others who wants to also do the cruise, at least you have now the idea of what to expect inside here. Just protect your cameras and all your stuff when you're going outside, and especially when it's windy. Whew, too much English.
Everyone, please rest in peace in the comments for Francis's lens.
And shout out to Damian for helping me shoot my video today. Thank you so much. And guys, please do support his channel, subscribe to his channel, and watch the videos that we did on his channel. Alright? Until next time, guys. See you next time, babe. Bye-bye. Please pray for my camera.
Peace.
At syempre, bago matapos itong video na to, isang pang malakasang shoutout muna sa ating mga channel members. At una, happy New Year sa inyo kay Tita Gai, Mark Angelo Molina, George and Zenny, Serenityo, Angeli, Ivy Hovelar, M. Oliveros, Ronilyn Quijana, Joan Castro, half Filipino-Austriano, Mariluz Abiton, Sandy, Joy Novello, at Jovis Vlog. Be, kung gusto mo rin ma-shoutout sa ating video, huwag mo kalimutan mag-join lang sa ating channel members. At syempre, supportan nyo lang ako sa aking mga trip sa buhay. Hanggang susunod na video, it's me, Francis Candia, saying, when you smile, don't say cheese, say big cheese. Until next time, see you!